There is one skill in TikTok Organic that if you nail it, you will get to your first $10,000 in profit per month with TikTok Organic only. It is the skill to create controversy and bait comments. Let me show you this video and show you exactly what I mean.
Can a 1-inch steel pipe stop a katana? And if so, will it damage the katana? Let's find out. This steel pipe is actually dummy thick strong, so I'll be surprised if I can actually slice all the way through. Now, as much as whacking metal on metal makes me cringe, it must be done for scientific research. Let's try that again. Daggone, we almost got it. I just need to practice my Sigma breathing. But how did the sword hold up? Actually quite well. After cleaning it off, I don't see any chips or scratches, which makes me wonder.
First of all, how good was the start? They almost show how the pipe was cut, and then they start with a video. First of all, they baited you into literally watching the whole thing. And secondly, they did one really interesting thing. They called this whole thing a steel pipe. And people caught on to them lying because it was actually an aluminium pipe. And it was obviously much easier to cut it. Everybody understood that you're not going to be able to cut through a steel pipe with a sword like that easily. What happened because of that was everybody in the comment section was going crazy about them using aluminium. And one really cool thing here, the people who commented felt really smart. They basically found the mistake in the video, when in reality, the person who's advertising did it on purpose. And they basically got all of them to comment. And what happens when people comment? People are also searching through the comments to see if other people noticed it as well. And you basically get all this interaction. And while people look at the comments, the video is still playing in the background, meaning that your watch time goes up for free and you go viral because it boosts the algorithm. Now let me show you another example.
Try this drink at Starbucks. Milk. 2 pumps of toasted white mocha. 4 pumps of toasted vanilla. 2 scoops of Java chip. Frozen water cubes.
So what he did here was saying frozen water cubes.
Frozen water cubes.
Instead of ice cubes. Now, obviously saying frozen water, again, doesn't make sense at all, and it's just an ice cube, but people are gonna comment and then feel smart. You need to give people the opportunity to feel smart when they comment. That's probably the easiest way how to actually get engagement, because whenever people feel smart, they feel good, and they're gonna be happy to comment. However, if you overdo this, you can actually go viral for the wrong reason and talk to the complete wrong audience, and this means you're not going to get sales. In the perfect world, you go viral because you create controversy around the product in a positive light. Even this example I showed you with steel versus aluminum, it's not perfect because it kind of paints the product in a little bit of a worse light than it actually is. You basically have all those people calling you out for number 1, being a liar, and number 2, pretending that your product is stronger and better than it is. Also, I'm 100% sure that this did really well. And also keep in mind that a lot of people didn't understand that it's aluminum, meaning that they thought it's steel. And most of those people who actually wanted to buy the product, they instantly visited the website. Just keep in mind that all of this is just a starter method on how to get things going to understand that you can go viral, and you basically boost your entire account, but be careful in which audience you actually go viral. For example, what happened to me personally with the Andrew Tate video I did on this channel, one of the reasons why at this point it has like over 700,000 views is that I also created controversy with a statement of telling people to not go to the gym.
Going to the gym, it does not matter.
If you go to the comment section of my Andrew Tate video, you're gonna see insane amounts of people who get super annoyed by that. My initial point was you're not gonna make more money by going into the gym, because that's apparently what a lot of people think. It's the same thing as thinking that you're gonna make more money because of the cold showers you take. If you look at the top dropshippers, the top 1% of dropshippers, you're gonna see that it doesn't correlate with them going to the gym, because going to the gym is not gonna make your store profitable. Maybe sure, it's gonna make you more disciplined and whatever, but in reality it also steals time from you. Basically, I created this exact debate in the comment section. There were tons of people who supported the statement. There was tons of gym bros who were super pissed because obviously they based their life around the gym, and that was definitely a part of their reason why this video got viral. Now, I would honestly say that the person you can learn this from the best is Aiden Roth.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god.
And I made a full breakdown video on how he creates controversy to go viral. And you basically can check it out somewhere here. Also, if you want to work with me in a mentoring program where I'm just going to guide you through the entire process of creating a profitable dropshipping business, click the link below and I will talk to you very soon.